Welcome Blue Star School students. Today we are going to see about chapter number 7. Chapter name is Fraction in 6th Max NCERT book. Last classes we saw exercise number 7.4 which was related to like and unlike fraction. Now today we are going to see about exercise number 7.5 which is based on how to add the like fraction. Okay students. Take your classwork note, take new page, write exercise number 7.5. Write first, second sum, solve. Let me take the A subdivision. 1/18 plus 1/80. Okay, we have to solve the first part. 1/18 plus 1/18. In this sum, we have to learn how do we add like fraction. First, we have to retain the denominator. Here, denominators are same, so it is called like fraction. What is the first step? Retain the denominator. Because the denominators are same. This is common for both fractions. Next step, we have to add the numerator. We just add the numerator. So 1 plus 1. We get 2/80. Next we have to reduce the fraction. We have to convert into simplest form. We have to cancel in 2 table. 2 ones are 2. 9 twos are 18. So we get the answer 1/9. Therefore, 1/18 plus 1/18 equal to 1/9. This is the answer. Next, we are going to move the next subdivision. Let me take the subdivision G. 1 minus 2/3. 1 minus 2/3. First we have to convert into the like fraction. Here denominator is 1, 1/1. Here 2/3. So here denominator must be different. So we have to take the LCM of these two denominator 1 and 3. We get 3. 3 is the LCM. In first fraction, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. So 1 3s are 3. Minus, here the denominator is 3. So we have to multiply by 1. So 1 2s are 2 1s are 2. Next 3 minus 2 means 1, 1/3. So therefore 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3. This is the answer. Are you clear, student? Next we have to move I subdivision. This is also same. 3 minus 12/5. 3 minus 12/5. Here also denominator are different. 3/1 minus 12/5. 5. So we have to take the LCM for 1 and 5. What is the LCM of 1 and 5? The LCM is 5. So in the first fraction we have to multiply by 5. We get denominator is 5, so 3 5s are 15. In the second fraction we have to multiply by both numerator and denominator by 1. So 12. Then 15 minus 12 divided by 5. 15 minus 12 is 3 by 5. So therefore 3 minus 12 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. This is the answer. Next we are going to move the question number 3. When we take question number 3. Subham painted 2/3 of the wall. Two-thirds of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped and painted one-third of the wall space. How much did they pay together? Subham painted 2/3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. So how much did they paint together? So how much Subham painted? Subham painted is 2/3. How much did Madhavi paint? 1/3 of the wall space. So what is the given? Given is fraction of wall painted by Subham equal to 2/3. Then fractions of wall painted by Madhavi equal to 1/3. So we have to find total painting by both of them. Total means together means we have to add these two numbers. This is the hint for this question. Together. Together means add. Write in pencil. total painting by both of them equal to so how much did paint together? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. These are the like fraction. So how do we add like fraction? First, we have to retain the denominator. Here denominator is 3. And second thing, just add the numerator. 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 1 means 3. 3 by 3. We have to cancel in 3 table. 3 by 3 is the simplest form is 1. So therefore, they painted complete wall. Complete wall. So complete wall was painted by both Subham and Madhavi. This sum is over. Next we have to move the question number 5. And we take question number 5. Jade was given 5/7 of a basket of orange. What fraction of orange was left in the basket? This is a question. Jade was given 5/7 of the basket of orange. What fractions of oranges was left in the basket? This is our question. First we have to consider the total number of orange to be the whole portions, or let we take 1. So let we consider full basket. Full basket equal to 1. So out of this full basket, how much was given to Javed? 5/7. So fraction of oranges left equal to how much left? 1 minus 5/7. 1 is the full basket. 5/7 is Javed was given. So here left is hint. Left means we have to subtract the number. Here see the denominator. Here denominator is 1. Here 7. So both denominators are different. So we have to take the LCM of 1 and 7. 1 and 7, the LCM of 1 and 7 is 7. Next, we have to multiply the first fraction by 7. So, 1 7s are 7. In second term, we have to multiply by 1, both numerator and denominator. So, 5 ones are 5. Already you know how to take LCM. 5, here 7 minus 5. We have to subtract these two numbers. We get the answer 2. So 2 by 7 is the answer. So 2 by 7 oranges was left in basket. So therefore, thus 2 by 7 oranges was left in basket. How many oranges was left in basket? 2 by 7. 2 by 7 oranges was left in basket. So the fractions of orange was left in the basket is 2 by 7. This sum is over. So we have next move to homework sum. Homework. This is your homework for today. In second question, you have 4 subdivision. Subdivision B 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. In C 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. H subdivision 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. And last D subdivision is 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22. These 4 terms are like terms. Are you clear? Because the denominators are same. So we have to just add the numerator. Okay. In second sum, in C subdivision only, this we have to subtract these two numerator. 7 minus 5. Okay. Thank you, students.